For this video, I'm going to show you routine 23, which is closed syllable, but this time I'm going to move on to step 2, which has to do with decoding single syllable words. I'm going to focus mostly on the I do, but I will also model a quick we do as well, so you can see that. Okay. So last week we learned about closed syllables. Closed syllables we learned was a syllable type where you have one vowel followed by one or more consonant, and we use this hand symbol. Knowing the syllable type helps you to be able to read the word. When you have a closed syllable, the vowel sound will often make a short vowel sound. So instead of saying oh, this is going to say ah. A closed syllable will have a short vowel sound. So let's go ahead and practice reading some of those syllables together. On this one, I start by finding the vowel. I scoop to the right and identify that this is closed. Because it is closed, it's going to say ah. So this word is zog. On this one, I find the vowel, I scoop to the right, I notice that there isn't any consonant, so this one is not closed, and so we're not going to worry about reading it right now. On this one, I find that it has two vowels. Because it has two vowels, it doesn't follow the pattern of a closed syllable. It's not closed, so we're not going to read it. This one I notice has two vowels. Again, because it has two vowels, it is not closed, so we're not going to read it. Now this one has one vowel followed by one or more consonant. Because it has one vowel followed by one or more consonant, we know it's closed. And the closed syllable type has a short vowel sound, ah. So when I put this together, it should say ass, flass. On this one, I notice one vowel followed by one or more consonants, so it's closed. That means that this O is going to have a short O sound, ah, ch, og, chog. On this one, I notice two vowels. Because it has two vowels, it would be not closed. Now, when you move into the we do, it's just going to start by eliciting more answers from the students. So it would be like before, where I would ask to point to the vowel. How many vowels do you see? Since it's one vowel, we scoop to the right. What type of syllable is it? Close. What type of sound does a closed syllable make? Short. What is the short I sound? I. So now we're going to read this word, it, mit. When we get to we do two, I would have kids first signal and then read. There'd be less supports. So on this one, I would say, what type of syllable type? 1, 2, 3, close. In your head, think what type of sound that would make. Read the word with me. 1, 2, 3, zast. And eventually you would just get down to the point where the students are reading with you if it is a closed syllable type. So I would hold up that word. Please think about the syllable type. And how would you read this word? 1, 2, 3, mad.